All right, so waterproofing the screen on the Pioneer 500, just like a Rubicon screen. You got to plug those 3 vents with Ultra Black. Put you a bead of Ultra Black around there. That part actually seals very well. This part is a nice O-ring type, like rings inside this boot. What doesn't seal well is this wire here. So you got to pump all this full of Ultra Black, cut this off, wrap it really good with electrical tape, the whole thing, and then put like 10 zip ties along the way. That's the only thing I found that works. It doesn't always work because there's a lot of steam and there's heat, and moisture will work its way up the wires and eventually get into your screen. But this will help your screen last a lot longer on a Pioneer 500 or a Rubicon. But yes, it's not 100% fix. The XMRs, Can-Ams have a much smarter design. That's a lot more waterproof screen because they're designed to be waterproof.
All right, here's my final product. I know it's freaking ugly, but I did go dunk this in my pond nearby, and it worked pretty well. No water in the screen. I put it under for a while. Don't worry, you'll see a lot more footage of the screen going underwater on the Pioneer 500 because, well, it's me. But yeah, so it's gooped, it's wrapped in electrical tape, and then it's zip tied to try to, like, squish the goop into completely encapsulating the cables. We'll see how long the screen lasts. Hopefully it's better than my Pioneer 1000. That's on its 3rd freaking screen. God, Honda, come on. Make us a factory mud bike that's got shit like waterproof screens and stuff. Jeez.